Hello guys, welcome back to NFT Inspo. For today's video, we're going to show you or discuss with you how to fix Xiaomi E10 robot vacuum's left wheel error. So if you're interested, let's start our tutorial. So in this case, this error usually occurs when the left wheel of your Xiaomi E10 vacuum encounters issues such as blockages, misalignment, or system glitches. So there are going to be a few things that you do here to probably solve this issue. So first thing that you want to do is you want to inspect the left wheel. So you want to turn off the vacuum and carefully examine the left wheel. Now look for any debris or any obstructions that might be preventing it from moving freely. Clear away anything you find here. So just do a simple inspection here on the wheel section. So usually it's going to be at the bottom here. So in a different point of view, I think this is the left wheel. So since this is the underside, so this is the left wheel of the actual robot vacuum. Now maybe inspect the other one as well. Sometimes it might affect the other wheel. So go ahead and inspect those wheels. Next is you want to clean the left wheel. Now ensure the wheel is clean, free from dust or dirt buildup. Now use a soft cloth or brush to clean it thoroughly to prevent any blockages that could hinder its performance. And also look for any hair that might be this case wrap around on the actual wheel. So you want to pull those out. So if you can, I wouldn't suggest you to personally open it up, but if you can, be careful in this one. Make sure to open it up and remove any hair that you see there. Now, next you want to do is you want to monitor your wheel performance. So in this case, turn the vacuum on, let it run for about like 15 minutes if you can to observe the left wheel's movement during operation. If the air doesn't reappear, the problem may have been resolved, so it might be some dirt stuck on it. Now, also you might want to verify your wheel alignment here. So check if the left wheel is aligned properly. So misalignment can cause uneven movement or errors. So adjust the wheel if needed to ensure both operations. And finally, if none of those actually work, you could do a system reset. So you want to turn off your vacuum. So in this case, you want to turn off your vacuum and you want to wait for a few seconds, then turn it back on and check if the error actually clears out. Now, again, if none of those actually work, the last thing that you do here is to contact Xiaomi support. Now, if the error persists after trying all the steps before, it could be indicate a deeper mechanical or software issue here. So you need to reach out to Xiaomi support for professional assistance or repair. But in this case, that's about it. Hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.